Well, it's that time. It's our last day in Key West for the season, and I am charged with packing everything up. I gotta do all the maintenance, flush the tanks, check all the screws, figure out where I'm putting everything that we've acquired while here for the last 3 months. But I think we're both ready for a change of scenery. As gorgeous as it is here, it's time to move on. So, let's get a packing. We are Steve, Stephanie, and Teddy, enjoying retirement in this great nation of ours. We've certainly enjoyed the 3 months that we spent here in Key West. What a joy to be able to do so. We've met a lot of new friends. We certainly got to explore the area and even began feeling like a couple of conks ourselves. We love our Alliance 385 front living. It has all this storage in the back. But the more storage you have, the more things you accumulate. I find it easiest to just unload everything, take a look, and when you put everything back, it's like a game of Tetris. What fits where so that it all can go inside. Plus, you may find something that you forgot you had. I guess you didn't really need it if you forgot about it. We stayed at Naval Air Station Key West at the Sigsbee campground. This is not open to everyone, but what a benefit for those who have or are continuing to serve. I will leave the eligibility requirements in the comments below. Just look at all of this storage space. And our battle-born batteries, key to our solar. Anyone else call this slide tray a morgue drawer? Boy, there's a lot of space in there. The next day, it's time to hitch up and head out. We're not going to head all the way back to Wisconsin on this trip. We still have an event to attend, the Southern Alliance Alley Rally. Our first stop is a harvest toast, just adjacent to the Southern Everglades entry and homestead. This is a combination winery and brewery. I pulled into the wrong entrance, so Stephanie's going to have to spot for me as I finagle my way around. I was only concerned with some low trees, but there was no issues. These grounds are absolutely massive. Where do you want to park?
The shade is
This
really
way.
annoying. So,
Tell me.
you wanna park facing this way on the other side of the street?
utilizing pull in here, not where I did, and then easy check-in. We actually got lucky as there was a gate open to the field.
I didn't think it wanted us to. Well,
After unhitching, we had to make a quick dash to the winery as it was closing at about 5 p.m. We really wanted to check out these luscious grounds. Incredible. Neither of us are really wine drinkers, so we made our way to the back, which connects to the brewery. You just walk in, they don't seem to mind. And then we discovered why the area is so massive. This brewery hosts multiple events to include country line dancing, concerts, sporting events.
I'll have a number one with coleslaw and fries.
Time to get the drone out and show you from the air just how massive this is. Now this is a harvest host, but we talked with them and they said if you call ahead and they have room, they don't mind as long as you sample a beer or a wine.
The next day,
Our plan was to hit another harvest host, but we decided to push through to the Cars Park in Cape Canaveral.
Why you can't keep a Scotty clean. We have this whole campsite. We have a nice mat. No, he wants to be in the grit. What are you doing? Teddy. Icky. Come here. Come here.
Our campsite was right across from the Starlink launch complex. Stay tuned next time, because we're going to bring you some of these launches that we got to see before heading to the Southern Alley Rally.